Okay, so I think, is that like a bad angle? Okay. Anyway, so I had got a new rug for the living room and I think I want to change it out. There is that one, and I will find a new home for that. But in the meantime, I had bought a new rug and it's sitting in my kitchen floor. It came in the other day and I just dropped it in the kitchen because it's just me here, and I'm gonna attempt to move all this furniture without my husband here. It's like, so he'll come home soon, right? But I'm just like debating, do I do this by myself or do I be patient and wait? But we're gonna do this now. Okay guys, so I do have to clean, but I think I will do that after or like during the process, right? Does that make sense? Anyway, we're gonna try. Hearing myself about to say it out loud, I'm just like, what did I just get myself into? So we're gonna attempt to move the sectional. Usually that's a two-man job and me and my husband will do that together, but I'm gonna do it by myself. So let's see. And yeah, I guess let's just get started. There's crap everywhere. There's no surprise there. Right? I guess that's how far that's going. We're completely off though, so there's a start. That's a little flipped it, but I don't think it's moving any further than that. There's some shit underneath here. Packages of wipes. There's a third one. Okay. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna drop that. I wish I could have moved you guys, but we're on a roll, right? Look at this. So much junk on the floor. Do you guys see that? Like, I'm glad I'm doing this because I did a cleaning video the other day and I sure didn't clean that. we got the ball rolling. The rug is moved. Furniture's moved. In shambles. We did it, guys. Now I'm gonna vacuum this floor up because it's dirty underneath, and clean up the junk that's underneath the couch, and put the new rug in. Wish me luck. Love this mug. I got it from Walmart for like 20 bucks. It's amazing. God, guys, can you see? I don't know if you guys can tell how red and swollen my hand is getting. This is crazy. Shower caps. Oh my god, look how pretty! So cute. Alright, guys, I just got done unrolling this rug and I did not even realize my camera stopped filming. Like, what the heck? But it's so pretty. I'm so excited. So there's a bunch bundled up over there. I need to slide all of this way because this rug is a lot bigger. I just realized you guys can't even see my face. This rug is a lot bigger than the old one. I wasn't expecting that. I thought I bought the same size, but clearly I bought a bigger version. But I guess let's keep going. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is oh my god. Okay. Oh, these little flyaways, postpartum hair loss. Don't we all love that?